welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joanna Moshka. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing what's on my iPhone. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, and I'm like, would you guys really like to see it? But anyways, I'm going to be doing it today. I'll be showing you what app I use on my iPhone and what is meant to, what I use it for. So let's dive right into the video. I use an XX Max 256 gig. I got this for my content creation journey for my YouTube, so I can be able to create content on YouTube. So yeah, I'll be showing you the app. So I'll change the screen now. You'll see my phone right now. I'll be showing you like the apps and what I use them for on my phone. So yeah. So guys, this is what my iPhone looks like. This is an XX Max iPhone. I got my phone case from Shein. So yeah, this is what the iPhone looks like. So first things first, on my home page I have two widgets. I have the temperature widget and the screen wallpaper. Then we go to the next one. We go to the icons on the bottom. I have my message app because I have to reply messages I get, and then I have my phone app also because I receive calls a lot, so I really have to answer them. And then we have the Safari because I always like Google anything I don't know about. Like if I should see a random thing I don't know about, I always Google it. Then I also have then we go to the first icons on top. I have the weather app, so I literally use the weather to check what outfits I should wear, what hair I should do, because I don't want to be going out and then rain is falling on me. So I always check my weather app to know when I should leave the house. And then I also have the photo app because I'm a photo freak. I always take pictures everywhere I go. So yeah, I use my photo app to like look at my pictures. Then I have the FaceTime app. FaceTime app, I use it to chat with my friends, catch up with them. So basically that's what I do in my FaceTime app. Then I have the calendar app. Calendar app is to track like the day, what that day is, if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So yeah, I use that to do that. And then we have the global map. Well, I use this map anytime I'm going out, especially to places where I don't know, especially when I'm going for events and I don't really know the place. I just open my Google app and then I get the location to where I'm going to. And then I have the Notes app. I literally use the Notes app to write like sermon messages I get in church. So when I go to church and then just to write down some things, I use my Notes app. Then I use my settings. Basically my settings is just for, I use it to check my camera quality, tweak some things. I use my settings also to block some notifications. Yeah. Then the next widget on there is the Stork. I hardly use this app because I'm not really into Stork, but yeah, I have the app on my phone. And then I have the Find My iPhone. Like literally I use it to like my AirPods. I use it to find my AirPods, especially when I don't know where I kept it. So the app helps me a lot to check that. And then I use my book app. I'm not really a book freak, but I'm trying to get into reading books this year, so that's why I downloaded it. So hopefully this year 2024 I start reading books a lot. And then we go into the Bible app. Yeah, I always use my Bible app to like read Bible messages because every time I wake up, that's like literally the first thing I do. I always listen, read my Bible, get the verse of the day because I use this King James version. They always have verses of the day. So yeah, I use that to just keep me going basically. Then I also have Truecaller because the streets be moving mad. Sometimes you see private numbers calling you, so you just basically use that to know who the real person is, like who is calling you. So yeah. And then I also have Subway Surf. Yeah, when I'm bored with my phone and then I don't have anything to do, I always play games. Just like I play games on my phone. Subway Surf. Yeah. And then we go to the social media app. So I have my Instagram. I use it to put my videos, content, and everything there. You guys should follow me on Instagram, Joanne underscore Lamoshika. And then I'm also on Snapchat. Yeah, I also post videos there, pictures, and also Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Ad Manager. So I basically use all those apps just to post my content and anything I want to post there. And then we have the YouTube studio. I literally use my YouTube studio to track my YouTube, like my performance of each videos, my shots, how it's doing, and basically just doing that. And then I also have the Canva app. That Canva app is the best thing that literally existed. Like, if you're not using Canva, I use Canva for my thumbnails on YouTube, and it's been giving me nice quality videos. So I advise you to get Canva. Canva is really good. And then I also have the CapCut app. The CapCut app, I use it to edit my videos, give all those transition. Shout out to the CapCut app, and it's also free. Like, guys, that app is doing amazingly well because it literally saves my life with video editing and everything. I also love their transitions too. And then I have my UBA app. I use the app to transfer money to people, to make transactions, basically money transactions. I also use the Stampic app too to make money transactions. And I also use Bolt. I have the Bolt app too. I use, like, when I'm going out, for drivers, just basically for people to be able to access you when you're going out. I use my Bolt app to get drivers that will drive me to my location. So yeah. And then I use the TubeBuddy app. The TubeBuddy app, I use it to get like, it's basically for YouTube. You can get your accomplishment there. Like, if you hit 1,000, you get 50,000 views. They always have this cute way of where they show your achievements, which you can post on YouTube too. Then I use the Airtable app, just basically to track my productivity, to know what I'm not done and what I'm supposed to do. Then I have my Microsoft 365. This basically has Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, like all the documents that I can type on, literally there. So I use it for typing, Excel, PowerPoint, for presentation basically. And then I have the Zoom app. I usually get meetings, especially meetings. I use my Zoom app for meetings, to attend to meetings, and then basically that. Then I have the health app. I use this one to track my health, like how much what I'm weighing, how much cup of water I've drank in a day, how much sleep I'm getting. Basically that, yeah. Then I have the clock to check the time, obviously. Like, the clock I use is to check time, to set alarms, especially when I'm waking up, because I wake up pretty early every day. So I use the app to set alarms for wake up and night time. Then the podcast app, I love the app so much because I don't know if you guys know a Bible Before Breakfast with Mildred. I love that show so much, that podcast so much. I listen to it and it's helped my prayer life, my spiritual life. It's helped me grow. So I really love the app. I also listen to I Said What I Said podcast. They're really good. Then I also have the Apple Store. This Apple Store, I use it to download apps, to download basically apps, yeah, games. We have AudioMac because that's what I use to download my music. I used to download music that I listen to. The Pinterest app. I use the app just to get aesthetically pleasing videos, pictures. If I want to do like a new hairstyle, I go to Pinterest to like get ideas. If I want to do a DIY hack, I use Pinterest to get an idea about what I want to do. And then the Netflix app, I use that app to watch movies. Yeah, I'm a movie. It's been trending on TikTok. You guys should go check my TikTok. I use that sound on one of my videos, and oh my god, I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Like, yeah, I also filmed like the making of this hair there. So you guys check my TikTok. If you're not on my TikTok, you're missing out. Like, I have quality content on there. So you guys should go check it out. Okay? Yeah. So